Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Gold Australe Killifish, a stunning freshwater fish known for its vibrant color and ease of care. Whether you're an experienced aquarist or just starting out, this fish is a fantastic addition to any tank. Did you know that the Gold Australe Killifish are one of the few fish that can thrive in small, low-tech aquariums? They're highly adaptable and often favored by aquarists for their beautiful golden coloration and peaceful temperament. The Gold Australe Killifish is a color variation of the Australe species native to West Africa, particularly found in shallow waters of Gabon and the Republic of Congo. The gold strain is a selectively bred variety prized for its vibrant yellow to orange hues, making it a standout among killifish species. This fish is a true showstopper. The Gold Australe Killifish grows to about 2.5 inches in length with a slender body and flowing fins. His body is covered in golden orange hues with iridescent blue highlights along the edges. Males are typically brighter with longer, more elaborate fins, while females have shorter fins and more muted coloration. To keep your Gold Australe Killifish happy, provide them with a well-maintained aquarium. They thrive in tanks as small as 10 gallons, but larger tanks allow for more natural behaviors. These fish prefer soft, slightly acidic water with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0 and temperatures around 72 to 75 degrees. A gentle sponge filter works best as they prefer calm waters. Adding live plants like Java moss or floating plants will give them plenty of hiding spots and create a natural environment. Gold Australe Killifish are peaceful but shy fish, making them perfect for community tanks. They do well with other small peaceful species like tetras, reservoirs, and corridors. However, avoid housing them with more aggressive, fast-swimming fish that might outcompete them for food. One of the most exciting aspects of keeping Gold Australe Killifish is their easy breeding habits. These fish are egg layers and prefer to lay their eggs in fine leaf plants or spawning mops. Once the eggs are laid, they hatch in about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on water temperature. To increase fry survival rates, remove the eggs or provide plenty of hiding spots for the young fish. Gold Australe Killifish are micro-predators feeding on small insects, worms, and crustaceans in the wild. In captivity, they thrive on high-quality frozen, live, and dry foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and micropellets. A varied diet will enhance their coloration and keep them healthy. And that's everything you need to know about the Gold Australe Killifish. With their vibrant colors, peaceful nature, and ease of care, they make a perfect addition to any planted aquarium. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more aquascaping tips and fish care guides. Thanks for watching and happy fish keeping.